Tell me about yourself or introduce yourself to the class. Does it sound familiar? Hi, I'm Sharon and welcome to Look and Listen English Lessons. If you're looking to improve your English in a fun and easy way, this is the place to start your journey. So, click subscribe and ring the bell for more videos created just for you. Okay, today's lesson we are going to focus on few ways how to introduce yourself properly. Now, the basic thing to start would be greetings. Hello. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening goes with late hours. And if you leave a place and it is late, you can say good night. So choose one according to the time of the day. And let's say these are, of course, just the formal greetings. Now, let's talk about informal greetings. You can use, of course, hi, hey, what's up, how's it going? Again, you should find one that you feel comfortable with. I usually say hi, hey, and what's up. Next, your name. Hi, I'm Sharon. On the phone, I would say, hello, this is Sharon. If you're being asked for your name, you can say, hi, my name is Sharon. So, in short, your name could be, hi, my name's Sharon. My name's Sharon. Let's move on to location part, okay? I come from UK. I come from Italy. I was born in and raised in, or if you are located in a different country, at the moment you may say, I grew up in the UK and now I live in Israel. If you have been living somewhere for a few years, you say, I've been living in Paris for 3 years. Next, your job position. I am an engineer. I'm a teacher. I'm an actress. You can say, I work at the National Theatre in Moscow. I work in the National Theatre in Moscow. Or you may say, I work as a school teacher, as will point more specifically. That's it for now. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this short video. I'll see you next time. Bye.